everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Winnie. Welcome to the YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organizing, and parenting in general. And if you are new here, karibu sana, and kindly subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for making this YouTube channel to grow. And today I'm sharing with you a very simple yet amazing recipe that you can wow your guests with it. And we are making mango salsa salad. So on our ingredients, we'll need 2 mangoes. I'll see if I'll need to use the 2 of them. We will need mangoes. We will need tomatoes. We will need cucumber, and we will need lemon. That is the lemon juice. On our dressing, we will need honey. We will need black pepper, and we will need a little cooking oil. If you have olive oil, it is the best. So let's go to the preparation of our ingredients. So we start with preparing our ingredients. We will start with our tomatoes. So what you do, you cut your tomatoes and need a spoon, and then you remove the seed. You ensure that you remove all the seeds. You remove all the seeds. And just like that, I'm done with my tomatoes. Now we go to my cucumber. It's the same process. Let me first divide it into 2. So the same process, you remove the seed from the cucumber. And now we go to the mangoes. We have cut the cucumbers, and then we go to the mangoes. Let me see if this would be the right way to cut them, or the other way. And you have to have a very sweet mango. You cut mango also into very thin and smaller pieces. I'm hoping my mango is sweet. I've just used 1 cucumber because I feel it was big enough for 3 tomatoes. And just like that, we have our mango. We have our mango, cucumber, and tomato. So we have to mix them together. I want to see if that mango is enough. I feel I should add more mango. So let's add another mango. You can see how our mango salsa is looking. After you have mixed everything, now we go to our dressing. On the dressing, we will need lemon juice. So let me squeeze the lemon. So I want to measure. This is like two tablespoons of lemon juice, and then we'll need like a tablespoon of honey, and then we'll need like a tablespoon of oil. If you have olive oil, the better. And then you are going to mix thoroughly, mix very well until everything mix. And then here you have to taste to see. Every time you are making a salad, ensure that you taste the dressing before putting it in the main salad, because it will help you to know if you will ruin your salad. If the dressing is not right in the taste, even your salad will not be right. So let's taste the dressing to see what we need to add. I think everything is well balanced. So what we'll do, the last thing we'll do, now our last thing, we have our dressing and we have our salad. I'm going to put like a quarter. This is a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. So we are going to put a black pepper, and then we put our dressing. And just like that, we are done with making our salad. So we'll just combine everything well. We just combine everything very well. And just like that, I've made a very nice and good looking salad for my family. Let's test to see if it's worthy the time. So this is our salad. I want to taste to see if everything has married in very well. I think I should switch off the camera and eat everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly go and try this yummy salad and then bring me the feedback. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you till next time. We share the next recipe. Bye.